Next topic is reproductive health. So what is reproductive health? So as we know, the health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. Okay. So every aspect of our body, every organ ranging from stomach, liver, or every organ of body need to be in a better you can say state of health. Okay. So as with the reproductive organ, which are also important, or you can say they are as important as any other organ in our body. So we need to take care of our reproductive health. During adolescence there is a rapid growth in the reproductive organ, and during this age, as there is a rapid growth, the nutritional requirement is very much essential for our body. Okay. So the next topic is nutritional need of adolescence. So we all know that we need different kinds of nutrients. One of such group of nutrients which we need in bulk amount, which includes carbohydrate, protein, and fats. Okay, we need this in larger amount. On the other hand, nutrients such as vitamins and minerals we need in trace amount or very small amount. Both these are important. Apart from this, water and fiber are also important for our health. Okay, so we should include them in our health. Okay, so first of all, let us understand about the need of these various nutrients. During adolescence there is a need for energy. Okay, so carbohydrate provides energy. Carbohydrate present in different forms like sugar, starch. Okay, potato, cereals are rich in carbohydrate. Even sugar, which includes sugar from the fruits. Okay, table sugar, these are rich sources of carbohydrate. Protein is very much important, is the most important part of our diet, because protein is required for growth and development, because it is a bodybuilding nutrient. Okay, as well as it is necessary in what you can say, it is one of the important components of all the organs, including muscle, bone, skin, and other parts. Okay, so protein also required. Protein is basically rich in pulses, then you can say milk, curd, chicken, meat. Okay, fish. Okay, so these are rich in protein. Now talking about fat is also important for our diet, because it helps in insulation, as well as in the form of stored food. So fat is basically present in butter, oil, milk, ghee, and different vegetable oils. Okay, now talking about the nutrients which we required in trace amount, include vitamins. So green leafy vegetables are rich in vitamins, as vitamin A, K. Okay, fruit, nuts, then you can say milk, curd, chicken, eggs. These are all rich in most of the vitamins. Okay, especially you can say fruits are rich in vitamin C and K. Vegetables are rich in vitamin A and K. Egg, milk, chicken, red meat are rich in vitamin D, vitamin B complex, and other kind of nutrients. So we need the balance of all kinds of nutrients. Apart from this, we also need fiber in our diet. Okay, because fiber is very much required for good digestion as well as bulk movement. That means fiber act as a, you can say, substance which help in proper movement of our food. Okay, that means it increases the water retention capacity of our gut and prevents constipation. Okay, so for proper digestion and to for proper, you can say, cleaning of the system, cellulose is essential. Cellulose is especially rich in whole grains, include whole wheats and other kinds of grains. Okay, vegetables, fruits. So one should abstain from what you can say, drinking only fruit juice. Apart from this, one should be inculcated of having the eating the whole fruit with its peel. Same goes with vegetables. Okay, fast food or packaged food should be minimized in our diet. Okay, although it is although they are one should not what you can say, it is quite impossible to stay away from them, but one should minimize the intake of packaged food. Okay, although they are tasty, pleasing to the taste bud, but they are harmful for our health if we regularly take them. Now, personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? As we all know that hygiene is very much essential, because if we do not inculcate proper hygienic habits like washing our hands regularly after attending toilet and before eating food, changing of underclothes daily, proper bathing, okay, eating clean food and water, these are very much essential. If we do not follow these kinds of things, then what will happen? Various kinds of infections and diseases will come, like bacterial infection, viral infection, as well as protozoal infection. So one should inculcate the habit of personal hygiene. Okay, physical exercise is very much essential in maintaining our body. That when during the growing year, during the adolescent, physical exercise is very important. Exercise is very much important as it helps us in combating stress, improves our immune system, blood circulation, and overall improve our performance both academically as well as in sports. Okay, so it is very much important. Now the next topic is drugs. So during the age adolescence, what happens actually, that various peer groups are formed in schools and various parts in clubs, or you can say even in sports, okay, and other places. So people so the you can say children form groups, okay, which are known as peers. Now some of them do some of the peers may influence other to do something which is wrong, like smoking, drinking. Okay, so one should not be, what you can say, pay attention to these kinds of things, okay, because these are harmful to our health. Okay, for various reasons people use the same. Also you can say not only friends and peers, electronic media, movie, it include movies and other kind of internet videos are responsible for it, but yet one should recognize that these are very much harmful for our health. Okay, now the next topic is very important, which is HIV. So what is HIV? HIV is a kind of virus which is known as human immunovirus, which spreads through various means. One of the most common method of spread is through sexual contact, through infected needles, blood transfusion without proper diagnosis of the blood. These are some of the reasons. So one should be aware about this, because this in this age our reproductive organ is what you can say, we have just attained puberty, and one should not one should abstain from what you can say any kinds of acts which is what you can say not help which is harmful for our body. Okay, so one should be aware about regarding the transmission of various kind of disease. One of the most important causes of it is its AIDS virus, which is incurable. Therefore one should be cautious about it. One should not abstain from having what you can say unprotected sex. Okay, so these are some of the important topics that was present in your book. Okay, after you get the video, the group will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.